If it ain't one thing with these chains, it's another. Let's see if the chain comes. Oh, jeez. How hard I try to get church on time. And this is what I'm going to do next Sunday, Lord's willing. I got woken up at 6 o'clock this morning. But I did not. I was woke. I must have stayed woke till about 7 o'clock. Then I found myself dozing off. I'm going to the donut man. Found myself dozing off. And I was like, all right.
Okay. Press the button on the platform. Okay. See you down there.
Found myself dozing off. And I dozed off. And I woke up at 10 minutes to 8. So now, what am I saying? The Lord wake me up 6 o'clock again. I'm going to get up so I won't have to feel so guilty thinking, okay, if I had got up earlier, I would have made it. So, I'm going to get up. Time the Lord wake me up to next Sunday. And I'm going to go. Just to see. If it's all about me being late. If it's all about me, not getting up. I want to go against all odds. All right, let me see if I got some money for Dunkin' Donuts.